Well, I wonder, what did I do with the Bergman? Huh. Now there's the Honda. Where's the Bergman at? Oh, what's this? What's this? Aha! Chainsaw Bob has gone and done it again. Had to have another dirt bike. Old and cantankerous as he is, he can't get the hell away from them dirt bikes. He shout at him. But he wasn't too happy with that CRF 250L. It wasn't just what he wanted in a dirt bike. And so what did I do now? I bought me a 2014 XT250. Nearest thing I could find to my much beloved XT225, and henceforth to be known as the mighty Yamaha. The mighty Honda is going back to be a street bike, road bike, and the mighty Yamaha is Chainsaw Bob's new dirt bike. That's Chainsaw. That's me. Just thought I'd post this. You know, this stupid old 73-year-old dirt bike rider's gone and done it again. But I got one at least I can touch the ground on this time. And buddy, it's a whole lot like my XT225, except it's fuel injected and got a little bit bigger engine. Nice bike. Well, this danged old fool just had to do it. Just had to have another dirt bike. That's all there is to it. I got to get out on them trails. They keep a calling me. The bears is looking for me out there, so got to get out there and ride again. Thanks for watching.